Hello and welcome to another LMental&Maurin reaction. Today we are reacting to 954 Mari Liar Boy, the Makima AMV from Chainsaw Man. I've seen Chainsaw Man, Maurin has not.
I'm going to.
She's going to eventually. But we're trying to run through this real quick because the camera's dying. So we will hop right into this. It might be a quick reaction because we don't have time. Edited by Black Diamond. Good. Produced by, I don't know those guys. Melodic 954.
Got a man now because you just for me. He treat you good, but I got that good you need. You hold your breath when you with me. Barely breathe. Don't got no voice like mine. I put you on your knees. Shout out to all of the fathers who dipped on their daughters. It's easy for Mari to fuck. Life is a Hakuna Matata, surrounded by pigs and the weasel. They keeping me stuck. I'm trying to switch on the Miami ends and shit on her friends, cause she bought a butter. Every new week in a brand new band, so let's not pretend you ain't getting fucked. I lied. Hell, I put you through. Girl, you love it. And I don't tell the truth. Girl, you love it. All the things you did to me after you said we done with. Girl, we make up every time I get you on your stomach. Bad for you and you want me still. Trash for you and you want me still. Bad for you and you want me still.
Pause real quick. Did you catch that Hakuna Matata bar?
Yeah, I
you
did.
Like that?
It's a Hakuna Matata.
Surrounded by pigs and weasels. Because pigs are police. And weasels are snitches, man. I like his vibe on this. It's nice. It's nice where he's not spitting crazy, but he's also saying some crazy stuff. But he's just kind of flowing and making almost what would be. I think this would probably be what would be called for 954 Mari, like a romantic love song type of song. It's a little different love where Mari's from, Maurin and like a romantic love, but I like it. You like it?
Yeah.
Like the vibe?
Sure.
Good vibes. Video's crazy. It's kind of cool. Who did the video? Oh, Black Diamond. This is amazing. Black Diamond's killing it with this video.
Don't know how to hear. Bad for you and you want me still. Will you love me when I'm out of here? I lied.
Also, the lyric, I lied, has a deeper meaning. Which is crazy, because, I mean, Makima lies to Denji a lot. So, but Denji's still down bad for her. That was cool. That was probably one of our shortest reaction videos, but that's fine because the camera is still on. We're still rolling. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you. That was our reaction to 954 Mari Liar Boy, the Makima AMV from Chainsaw Man. And Maurin, you liked it, right?
Yeah.
I liked it. Nothing much to say. Got some good bars. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you. Comment below Hakuna Matata, and that way we know you made it to the end of the video. I've been LMental. This is
Maurin.
We'll see you in the next reaction.